Hi, good morning. Welcome to my shave den. And just to recap, this is the fourth and final video shave testing the Wilkinson Empire. And today we shave testing the last blade, Sunday's blade. And albeit this set has been sold, morning Lewis, I'm still doing the shave test for Sunday, so I know for myself that it's shave ready. So there we have the head again. Just go through the procedure for loading, undo the handle, press the stud at the back, and then you can rotate the blade like that, and then lock it into place, secure the handle, and that's it. So we'll see how this blade performs. Just make sure that's locked in okay. Yeah, that's locked in. That seems okay. I'll just put it onto the aggressive setting, and to do that you undo the handle and then turn this adjuster fully to the right. And then lock up the handle again. Just going against the grain here. I don't know if you can see, but you can see the wheel here actually moving. I think I mentioned this before, that I do have one of these myself. I've got a bit of an eye infection going on this morning, and it's great to take on holiday because the actual set is very compact. It fits in your case a treat. You can enjoy the luxury of a different blade every day. Great talking point against with your mates as well. You know, sometimes when my mates come over, have a look through my shaving gear. One of them said at camp, razor looks like an instrument of torture. I have to agree, it does. Okay, that's the Sunday shave test over. I usually disinfect these with my own recipe. I just put it in a normal spray bottle, but it's a combination of vodka, spray like that, vodka, lavender and vinegar. Smells great and it works a treat. And that disinfects the blade from any nasties. And it's because of the vinegar in there and the vodka, it actually polishes up brilliantly. I'll just get a towel and just dry that off. And just give it a shine. Look at that. It's like new. Put the light on, Graham. Okay, thanks for watching, Lewis, and catch up with you later. Bye for now.